Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how in Happoin you can enable a booking link so that your clients can see your available days and times and book their own appointments. This is also an advantage because it allows you to receive bookings 24/7, even when you're not available to schedule an appointment yourself or are outside of office hours. In Happoin, you have two links or two URLs available. One is the website link where you have all the relevant information about your business. And here the client can also see the services you have enabled. And through this button, they can start a booking. And the other is a booking link that takes clients directly to the booking page, which you can, for example, put in your social media statuses or share with your clients. Here, the client can start the booking process, select the location where they want the appointment. If you have multiple locations, choose who they want to be attended by or which professional or team member, and select the service they want to book. Then they will be able to see the available days and times, and after that, they can fill in their details, and with that, the booking is complete. As you can see, it's quite simple. And what I'm going to show you today is how you can enable this or this feature so you can get the most out of Happoin and have the option to have both options. Either the client contacts you to schedule the appointment and you book it yourself, or you have this booking link where the client can go in and book the appointment themselves, right? To do this, you're going to go here in the menu to the option that says Services. When you enter here, you'll find all of these where you can publish the entire catalog of services that your business offers, right? And in this way, these services will be available not only so that when you schedule appointments, the system can track metrics, reports, and statistics about the services you schedule, the income they generate, and information about the services being booked. But also it also allows you to enable a booking link so that your clients can schedule their own appointments. To do this, we're going to create a service as an example so you can see how it works. Let's go here to the button that says Create. And here, the fields you have available will open up, right? We start first by adding a title. Let's enter service, test service in this case, service, test and the duration of the service, okay? It's entered in minutes. The status, whether you want it to be public or private. It can be private. If it's private, it won't be available for booking or visible to the public through the website we provide on Happoin. And if it's public, well, as the word suggests, it will be public, so your clients can see it and also have the option to make bookings. You have the option to create offer online payment so that the client can make the payment at the time of booking. To enable this option, it's important that you have the payment methods enabled beforehand, right? In this case, for this example, we won't do it that way, just to show you how to enable, in this case, a booking link. And then you have the option to enable or allow bookings through your website. In this case, yes, we're going to select yes, so that the client can book through the link on your website or booking page. Then you have the option to allow simultaneous bookings. This means, or you can enable this if you are able to allow multiple bookings at the same time with the same person, for example. And here you can enter the number of slots, that is the number of bookings you can allow at the same time. That way, when someone books, the time slot remains available until all the spots are filled. If you only allow or can only attend to one person per hour and per professional, in this case, you simply don't enable this option and leave it as is. Next, we enter the price here. Let's set a price as an example. We choose whether we want to display the price or not. In this case, yes, we do. We select the location where this service will be provided. Okay. The professional or professionals who provide this service will select these two. Then a brief description. In this case, we recommend that you make it as detailed as possible because that builds trust with your clients when they make a reservation. Information about the service you provide. In this case, we won't add much here. just a few words for this example. And now you can add an image of the service, something related to the service. Okay, I'm going to add one here as an example, and I can also add an image gallery about the service. Once we are completely done with this particular step, please notice that we have specifically called it the test service, and we are now going to proceed to click the save button here. And with that, the service now appears here, right? With this, if we go up here at the top, you have the option for the booking link. If you click it, you can simply copy it where it says booking link. We open it here in a new tab, and the service should now appear for us. We created it for location 2 for any of the professionals, and notice that the service already appears here for me. And with this, you you can see the available times and days enabled, and with this you have the booking link activated. These times shown here will be displayed based on the duration of the service, and according to the schedule you have set up in the addresses and hours option here, right? That's what you see here. If I show you down here, you'll notice that your addresses and business hours are displayed. So the service you create will be shown within this time range for the location you selected. In this case, we selected the second one, and that service will be displayed within that range of hours and days, right? And well, that's how you create and enable a booking link in Happoin so that you can offer the option of online booking. Thank you very much.